Hey guys, what is up? This is Ayush from monkweb and this welcome to the first ever video of this channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing my portfolio. And I'm going to be sharing tips and tricks so you guys can check it out and you guys can make your portfolio crisp and really nice looking. All right. So let's just see. I'll also put the link in the description so you guys also check it out. Okay. So first impression. All right. So point to be noted here. As soon as the site loads, there is some animation. All right, so it's not necessary so to put an animation here, but it looks like, it looks outstanding. So if you want to stand out from the crowd, you can add some details here and there, so it will make your site, look really nice and stand out from the crowd. All right, so here you can see every detail is crisp and clear. Actually, yeah, the name, the hello written here, and the navigation are really big. The paddings are really nice, and you can see, you can get the idea that who is this guy that made the website. All right, so here's the photo of me actually. So, and also this little thing, the resume. So instead, if you, for example, send your profile or your portfolio to HR or any company, if they don't have actually the time to see all of the scroll to the down and see the website, so they can just download the resume from here, because honestly, not everybody cares about your portfolio. All right, so but they want your resume, so they can just download it from here. All right, so from this thing you can just get an idea that the first impression is really nice. I mean, for this website. So if you are making your portfolio, the first impression should be really good, because it will convince them to scroll further. All right, so let's just scroll down. So actually you don't have to add all this. This is like a really high level portfolio. I'm doing this for like 2 years, so that's why. I mean, you can just simply make your website click scroll downwards. But yep, you can. I mean, by the way, I used GSAP, the Green Sock animation platform, to scroll this sideways. And by the way, if you want a detailed video, I will also put that on my channel someday. I'll also record that. So, and I will explain every bit of it. All right. So, okay. So there's a little description here. A web developer living in India focus on creating long-lasting experience. So it is a little description, so the person who is checking out the website can get an idea that who is this guy basically. So all right, and here are my socials. So yep, by the way, follow me. All right, so let's just move down. And also one more thing, if you add your photo like a, as you can see, as a really big photo, so it's really, I mean, it's not important, but it's give you a, little perspective about a person, that how overall person is looking, overall the, how is the vibe is. So you can add this also. I mean, it's really nice. So okay, let's just see what's nice. What's here? Okay, so here's the work section. So you can see, I mean, I added the work. I didn't use like a simple term like a work section, but I written it the work I did. So these little things stand you out from the crowd. All right, okay. So again, the animations, you don't have to do it, but it's completely up to you actually. Okay, so okay, animations here too, and also, you have to care about the font and the font size. Here you can see that I've used really big font and really elegant looking font. Don't just use like an italic font in which you cannot even read what's written. So everything looks, it should look minimalistic, it should look simple, and at the same time it should be elegant. So that's the basic idea behind everything here. All right, so work section. And also, by the way, the color combination used here, so I threw out to use black and white and added some color on the animation part. So so um, the color combination is also really important. All right, so the work section is completed here, and there's a little part here. There's a little marquee if you know HTML. So yep, it says wake up, develop, repeat. Actually, the idea behind this is you can add any like live code that you follow here. So actually, in technological field, I am in technological field, so you can add whatever you want, like any live code that you follow or any inspiring person or anyone, right? So here I wrote wake up, develop, repeat, and also I didn't just wrote it statically. I make it as a marquee, so it's just scrolling infinite times. So it just gives the whole website a really nice look, and these little elements just take you to next level. All right. Okay. So the next thing is the technologies. So you may know, I mean, you can be like really professional or you can be a beginner. It doesn't matter. The overall website should look good. All right. Again, the animation. So now what's happening is the whole this uh this part is getting pinned here. So you can see it's got pinned, and now only the languages are scrolling. So it's actually the whole idea behind my website is the flow is really good, right? Everything is like I added animation on every scroll. So at the first you saw it was scrolling sideways, then when we scroll here in the work section it was a revealing, right? Every image was revealing. So the flow is really good. So next thing, so here is also the scroll animation is continuing. All right. Okay, now here is the contact part. So every alternate, if you noticed, every alternate div tag, or the compartment, every alternate container actually, it's opposite color. So firstly black, then white, then black, then it's white. So it just keeps contrast and give the user a nice experience. So alright, so here's the contact page, and I don't I don't need it to do this, but actually I did. And also the cursor, if you noticed, right? These little things, like it's make the experience really nice. So this the dropping me a text, I love to say hi. So I didn't need to add this, but why not? So you can just spend, don't just rush into it. Spend some time, learn some things, and make a portfolio. This that actually it represents you. So you have to really stand out from the crowd, because the competition is really high. So if your portfolio is like this, you have a really good chance to get into the company and get to the interview process. All right, so here I always keen for a good collab. So it's showing that I want to collab, whether it's a contract work or a full-time job. So here is my email, my contact number, and here is like another part that is really not needed, not necessary. But yeah, this is actually my life quote. I always seek discomfort in everything. So this is my life quote. And also, if you can see, seeking discomfort, but discomfort and seeking are obviously the different colors, and the opacity is really, really nice here. Like the opacity of discomfort, if you can see, like it's overlapping but looking like a shadow. So it's overall it's good, giving you a nice experience. So, and also this thing, this really, really nice, right? So these things like make the user stay on your website. So it will make, and also it stand out from the crowd. All right, and here's the footer. I didn't make a footer really like too long. I just wrote that made by Ayush. That's my name, guys. All right. So now I think and I hope that you can get an idea that how should, I mean, it's not really necessary to put all these things and put like um, everything like animations and all of that stuff. But the idea behind all the making a portfolio is it should reflect your vibe. Like, if you are an artist, so it should like an art, right? If you're a web developer, so it looks like something technical thing, and something like, you know so whatever you want to add, you can add. So all right, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.